Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint scanner on a Vivo V23. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Inside locate the security. Here it is, and then there's a fingerprint which already confirms that this device does have it. Now let's try to find it. And it seems that the fingerprint is located on the bottom of our screen on the right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.